Hey, what's up, guys? 187 Mental Case here. I'm back for the time being because I've been out of work. I am actually working on a model. It is a 70 Plymouth Superbird. And I'd like to give a shout out to Styrene Junkie 73 for giving me an idea on this. And let me show you what it is here. Well, it's just some salon effects, which is like a vinyl for your fingernails, I guess. Here, let me show you this one too. Sorry. But there's the two front seats. The body of this car is really giving me some problems, but they're slowly being worked out. But that right there, zebra print, is what's going to be on the interior of this. And Styrene Junkie, thank you. It is actually a really good idea, and I think it's turning out great. I just kind of painted the whole car black, but the body's going to be red with black accent. Let me show you what I got so far. So far, this is what I got because the paint keeps bubbling and running and all that. I mean, it's just crap. But I need to repaint the engine bay, as you can see. That was supposed to be red. Or no. Needs to be repainted black. My fault. Yeah, like I said, the paint just keeps bubbling, and like, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. About right there. That was just happening all over the body. And right there, where it's still shiny, but you can see through. I still got a little bit more sanding to do. I mean, this keeps fucking, excuse the language, keeps bubbling and cracking, so I keep sanding and whatnot. I'm starting to lose some of the body lines. It's starting to irritate me. But so far that's all I got on this one. Yeah, I guess when oh shit, just lost my train of thought. Sorry. Oh, when I repaint it and get everything all worked out and whatnot, hopefully it'll work. I will put up another video of it. Let me know what you guys think so far. Any tips on the paint issue or anything? Yeah, just let me know. Thanks. Peace.